Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Surfers. For the educational series, we are discussing about the Elliott waves from the basics. I did nearly the 5 parts. So this is the 6th part. So before we get into the educational series, so this is my disclaimer. Read carefully and understand what I have written inside this disclaimer. Finally, I'm not asking any investments, so be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. As well as I'm just sharing my knowledge how to apply the Elliott waves in the real live market. So let's go to the topic. And in the last video, the part 5, we discussed about that expanded flat. And in this video, the part 6, we are discussing about the running flat. So how it will be, what is meant by the running flat? So first I will recall that previous part of expanded flat. That means the B wave can go above the wave A start and that C wave has to end below the B wave start. That means the A wave end. So this is the model of A, B, C is a 3-wave and the B is also 3-wave and the C is in 5 waves. Sometimes if it is happen in the 3 waves, we have to label it as W, X, Y. I explained that. So let's move on to that running flat. What is meant by the running flat? That patterns, it will be like this. That means B wave can go above the A wave, but C wave has to end within the A wave end. That means within the B wave start. So within this, it has to get rejected and then again it has to bounce back, whether if it is a bullish or bearish, the continuation trend. So this is the pullback or the correction, what we called it as ABC corrections. So in that also, A got the 3-way structure, B way got 3-way structure, and the C way is a 5. There is no change in this. Only the thing is, for the running flat, it has to decline above the B wave start or A wave end. Within this, the C wave has to end. And then whether if it is a 3-way structure, we have to label it as same as well as what I explained in that expanded flat. This is a W, X, and if it is a 3-way, that is called as a Y. So let's move on to for some examples I'm showing. So this is the continuation part of for the bullish and this is for the bearish. So let's move on. First we will start with Euro USD. In that expanded flat also I have explained the running flat for the continuation in the previous video. So this is the wave 1 and this is the wave 2. So that means that B wave, so this is the A, so the B wave went above this A wave high and then it's declined above the B wave start and again it continued to that bullish trend. So this is called as a running flat. It didn't break this A wave end or B wave start, that C wave. So if it is there, means that is expanded flat. Now it didn't break that low, so that is called as running flat. So this is in daily chart, and one more is the chart I have to show is USDJPY. Yeah, here. See, here it's a 3-way structure, and again this is a 3-way structure. Again this is also a 3-way structure, but this is the drop in 5-way structure, right? So after that, here this is a B C as a. So this is the intermediate wave B. It went below the A wave here, and that B wave ended within this high. So this is A, B, C is A. The total is a B, and C wave got above that A wave. So it completed here as a B wave. So in this B wave, this is a running flat. How means it already broke the low of that W and ended within that W. It didn't went above the high. So that is called as a running flat. It's already simply it is A. So this is a B and C. So what I said, the three-way structure is called as W we need to make. If it is a five-way structure, we need to make it as A, B, and C. But here it's all three-way structure. So I label it as a W, three-way structure as a connecting wave, and it's already broken the wave W starting point, and after that it went, but it got rejected within this high. So that is called as running flat in the daily chart. So next we will see one more example in the DXY. Here it's a leading diagonal of wave 1 or A. Same thing happened here also. It's a three-way structure. Again it is a three-way structure. Again it is a three-way structure. Ended, see, it already broken the high here. It's already broken the high, but it didn't broke the low. So within that it got rejected and bounced back for the continuation. So this is the running flat example again in in the DXY. So like this kind of running flats will occur lot of times in different patterns in a three-way structures like this, or it could be A is a three-way structure, B is a three-way structure, and the C in the five-way structure also. So if it is you went through that in 5 minutes, or it will be in the 1 minute, 3 minute, or whatever, that will be violated. So be cautious, go above that 1 hour, minimum is 1 hour, and I will trade only in the 4 hour and the daily chart. I'm a positional on swing trader, so I will look only for that maximum minimum is 1 hour. I won't go below that 1 hour, but only for the entry I will look. But for the correction part, I won't look for those things in 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes like that. So you won't get that clear picture in those things. So in the higher time frame, you will get the clear picture. And again and again, I'm telling you, and you please note it down, how you are too good in the correction part, then only you can catch this kind of impulsive wave. Otherwise, it is very tough to catch this kind of impulsive wave. And I gave the example in the see how to catch the C wave in the correction part. Like that, you have to practice, work hard, and in front of the system make it as a hard copy what I have shared in that description box about that Elliott wave PDF file. You just make it as a hard copy and turn the page what you need to analyze that in the live market or in that chart. After that, you can apply that. It is very for the beginners, it will be a little bit tough and uncomfortable, but if you keep on practicing and if you love this Elliott waves, and then you can find that aha moment, that is I'm sure. And sometimes if we may miss that some trade also, so don't worry about that. If it is the one pair, we just go through the next pair. Don't look only the what we missed that. So, and the next example I need to show is Australian dollar. In this also, here is a running flat. How means this is the wave A, and this is the went below the A wave, and again it completed the wave here. So this is a running flat. The 1, and this is the 2, and continuation of the 3, 4, and 5. So this is a one more running flat for example, and we will see the one more again. All the pairs, it will occur in all the pairs, but you have to find out and you have to understand the pattern. Here is the one thing. This is the bigger impulsive wave, and here is a one more impulsive wave. Looks like it's all three waves, and here also three waves, and here also 3 waves. So this is the wave W or A, or this is the X wave. So this is the running flat. How means it's already broken the high, and again it came down, but it didn't broke the low. So if it breaks means that is expanded flat. If it did break and again it is the continuation of the trend means that is as a running flat. So finally we will see in that GBP JPY. Here in that simple, I will show you in the 4 hours also the how we done it, that Australian dollar, like the same pattern. This is the A, this is the B. It's already broken the low by a pips, 1 or 2 pips, and again it went for the 5-way structure, but it didn't broke the high. So this is the running flat formation, and again the continuation for that downtrend. So this is also a running flat. And finally we will move on that daily chart also. You may get the bigger picture. It's a running flat here. This is the wave 1, this is a wave 2, and this is a wave 3. Sorry, this is a wave 1, this is a wave 3, and this is the wave 5, and these intermediates are correction part. So here this is called as what we learned in that diagonals. This is as a leading diagonal. It will occur only in the A or 1, and after that this is a 3-way structure, and again we get the 3-way structure. After that this is the 5-way structure, and this is the ending diagonal triangle in the C wave. So we can make it this as a 1, ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC is a 3, ABC is a 4, ABC is a 5. So this is the ending diagonal triangle. It's not in 5 waves, it's all 3 waves in the 5-way structure. And here it's a 3-way structure, and here is also 3-way structure. So it's a B, and the 5-way structure is a C. Here it's a, and here is a B, and the C is a 5-way structure here. So this is also in the second wave we got the running flat, and the bigger picture, the B wave is also a running flat. So totally this is a complete leading diagonal in a B in a running flat, and C. So this total in the bigger picture, this is a. I will change the color. This is the A. 1 second. Yeah, and this is the B. Here is the B and C. So this A, this is the B and C. So C also, it's an impulsive wave to the downside. We'll make it as a blue. So for the identification, this is the A in the leading diagonal, and this is the B in the running flat. So this is the leading diagonal triangle, because everything is the three waves. And after that is a B is a running flat, and C is in 5-way structure. So totally this is a B, C here. A, B, and C is completion. So this is also a running flat. So I hope you understand a lot of running flats. the difference between the running flats and the expanded flat. So once again I will again and again explain that if it is an expanded flat, the wave B can go above the A wave, and the C wave has to end below the B wave start or the A wave end. And in the running flat, it is the C wave only get rejected within the start of wave B, so it don't want to go below this A wave end or B wave starting. So if it is that's like this is called as a running flat. And for example, uh, if what is that fib extensions for this running flat is maximum the B wave will go below, so that we will see in that Fibonacci retracements. There is a one more part is there, so I will explain that. But finally what you need to watch is how the wave is going to form. So whether it is the five-way structure, you need to um, come to a conclusion, because this is also a five-way structure and this is a three-way structure and this is also a five-way structure. So the one complete structure is going to an end. Once correction is going to end, so at least we may get another that 50% or 38.2 retracement. So you can at the end of this fifth wave, you may go long for the target of 50% from this high to low for the target. So that is why it's achieved here. I will go through that daily chart. See, this is the one simple correction ended, right? So for example, here it's achieved, see, 61.8, the golden ratio of the retracements. So this is the one correction and this is the connecting wave, this is the another correction or what. So like this you need to get involved in this, and then only you can find out all the things. Otherwise you can't make a consistent profit in this. Just you need to understand. And one more thing is I need to explain, we can't trade all the waves, because after that one wave confirmation only we come to know whether it is going to make a that pattern. So we need to allow the pattern to create in the chart what we need to see for the confirmation, and then only you have to look for that trade. So for example, I will explain you here what we will do, even including myself also. See, once the five-way structure ends, everybody looking for the three-way structure. So here it did the three-way structure in a simple correction, and again it did a three-way structure. After that, it's a giving the impulsive wave, and what we people think ABC is a ABC is a B, and C is going to, and this is a five-way structure, so it may retrace up to 78.6. This is the wave 1, or it could be a wave B it can give, and one more C is ahead. What will happen? See, according to this is a regular flat correction, but it can do the irregular flat also in the B wave. So that is why it's go below the A wave, and it's already dropped lot. After that, it's a five-way structure. So here is the B and the C. So what we expecting here as a target for the this thing for the simple, this we have to place a stop loss here or here. So if you placed here and here also, it may got hit, so unnecessarily you are losing. So in this kind of how to trade means, don't trade here, allow this to fall, allow this to make a pattern. If it comes here, you just short here, and then if it is has to be C ABC is a B, and C has to fall anyway. In either condition it has to fall. So this is the fall in the five-way structure, impulsive wave to the downside means don't trade the B wave. So only if it is a promisable trade, you have to catch that C wave. See, if you are looking for here, for if you can miss the trade but not losing anything from your capital. See, expecting this B wave has to end here. If you are took the trade, you may lose something. But expecting here, if it comes only here, I can short and we can have a trade plan. If you expecting it has to reach here, but it didn't reach, we missed the trade, no issues. But this is the confirmed trade. We know that this is ABC is a ABC is a B, and C is completed. And if it break this low of the fourth wave, and here is also a five-way structure, and here is a running flat, what else you need the confirmation? You just to go through the place the stop loss above, and we are trading the C wave. See how much pips. If you are waiting, you won't lose anything. But you are in without any patience, you may lose lot of things. So this is the one you have to understand, and then you have to take the trade in the running flat and the expanded flat. So trading in the B wave, expecting the C wave, it's a very tough. Only in the confirmation you have to trade. Otherwise, in the B wave, at the end of the B wave, you look for the short for that continuation trend. See, example, this is one example. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 5 is completed. We may get the three-way structure. So if the end of the three-way structure, C has to continue. So look for the C. If you miss here also, you can catch here. It's a more confirmation trade. And what we people call it as an head, the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder, and this is the neckline. And it didn't break here. So it is making a lower low. So what else you need the confirmation? Lot of confirmation is there. But the major is Elliott wave. After that's all, everything it's a next for me. So this is the one how I will analyze and trade only in the C wave in the correction. If I'm not able to catch that, I will leave that trade and go for the next trade. But without that, don't force the chart and don't enter. It has to happen like that. Don't bias on your analysis. How you have to trade means expecting the B wave, don't trade that B wave. Trade only that C wave, and if you are too good into catching that drop, you can trade this wave also A. So in the corrections, allow the chart to make the pattern, and you can find the pattern with the help of Elliott waves, and you have to make a money. That's it. My ambition is the same thing. That is why I'm just keep on posting all the corrections, how to make up a consistent profit and to find the correction part. So in this Christmas, I need to make some people to learn, and I need to fine tune myself again to recall all those things. It will help for both. So thanks for watching, and we will see in the next video in the triangle patterns. I think I will recall once again. This is the running flat, and we discussed about that expanded flat, and previous we did that zigzag, that single zigzag, double zigzag, triple zigzag. And correction is the most important thing in Elliott waves. If you go through the collections of correction patterns, if you find out the patterns, you can catch the impulsive wave. So if what you think is this is correction is happening, so we will leave this and we will focus only in the impulsive wave, means you can't catch that impulsive wave. Your mind will says only, and it will sticks to that. Your mind only bias on this. Okay, this is the correction is going on. So correction is going on means when it has to end. So you have to analyze that, but don't trade in the correction. You have to analyze, catch the impulsive wave, you can make a money. So thanks for watching, and we will see in the next video at the triangle series. So in the triangle, just for an information, that 4 triangles plus 1, the 5 triangle patterns is there. So 3 is a contracting triangle, 1 is expanding triangle, and another one is a running triangle. So we will discuss about this in the next part of the part 7. So thanks for watching, and have a nice day.